Oh, poor Madison. Madison, do you have the hiccup? Do you have the hiccups? Oh, sure. Now you're not going to do them. Huh. Alright, say bye to everybody.